Okay, guys, so rainfall has started. So, friends, this is the condition. These are the conditions, friends. Okay, and again, the water is floating towards me. And okay, wait, one thing you have didn't see. This is this thing. I've just seen this, and my God. Okay, so the sun is also again that thing. I don't want to speak because I am irritated by while speaking that thing. So I don't want to speak anything. So yes, this is what I used to be, and yeah, and I cannot able to move for because of this video. So see you guys in the next one, and bye. Bye.